Hey y'all, as y'all can tell by the title, today I'll be making fried chicken cutlets. So right here I'm cutting them thin. Don't forget to hit the like button. Okay, once I was done, I just put them on another plate, and then you're gonna see I'm gonna start seasoning them. So as y'all can see, I'm showing you the seasonings that I'm using, which is adobo, garlic, pepper, chicken seasoning, and sazon. Okay, once that's mixed in, I'm just going to be adding an egg to it, and then I'm going to be putting the oil in the pan. Okay, so now it's time to fry, so I'm just going to put the chicken cutlets in flour and place them in the oil. Yes, look at that chicken when I flip it over. It looks so good. This is how I like my chicken. Okay, so I'm just going to repeat the steps and dip the chicken in the flour and then continue to fry.